All right, so first we're going to install our feet onto the small legs. And for this, we'll need 4 M6 by 12, 4 T-nuts, and our 4 3D printed feet. As well as if you've purchased a kit from us, we include these adhesive grippy guys that go on the bottom here. This really helps improve friction on hard surfaces. So we'll take our M6 by 12s, feed them through this hole here, and put a T-nut onto the bottom. If you do have Loctite or white glue, this would be the time to put some on that thread. Engage the T-nut. At this point, it doesn't matter which side of this we're putting these on, but once the feet are on, we'll have to pay attention because now we've sort of defined what the bottom of the leg is. There are alignment pieces here that engage to capture that. Once that's in place, we do want to make sure that we don't push the feet out past the edge of the extrusion because we have end caps that go here. So you could put this on a flat surface so that you know that it's flush and tighten it up. Don't want to go too crazy here, just until it's snug. If you tighten it hard enough, you will break through the 3D printed part. I'll show you this for the other 4 legs. All right, now that we have that, we'll apply these adhesive feet. I do like to put just a bit of super glue on here to make this permanent. They adhere pretty well without it. I just find this adds a little bit of security so you don't have to worry about it. You do not need a lot, and please be careful with the super glue. It always has a tendency of getting just about anywhere. Whenever using adhesives like that that can bond to skin instantly, always recommended to use some gloves or whatever you need to do that safely. Quickly do the other ones here. There we go. So now we have our 4 feet on our legs, and this is now the bottom of our leg pieces. So in our final assembly, they'll be mounted like this.